Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to use your Google Maps voice direction. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then tap on the search bar. Then type the place that you want to go to. Then tap on the directions. Then the Google Map will show you the way how you can reach to the place from your location. Now to start the voice directions, tap on Start.
Head west.
And as you heard, the voice direction is on. As you move on, Google Maps will lead you with the voice navigation. And guys, this is how you use Google Maps voice direction. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.